Hello, fellow classmates from Human Resource Management. My name is Chris Schulte. Glad to meet all of you. Looking forward to meeting all of you during the videos that I watch as part of this first assignment. A little bit about me. I am married. I'm 40 years old. I've been married. We're going to celebrate 15 years. My wife Sarah and I. I have two children. Colin is my son, who's 14 years old. He's actually about to become a ninth grader going into high school. He just got promoted from the eighth grade. And then Jillian is our daughter, who will be going into eighth grade. They're actually only 14 months apart, almost Irish twins. So um, I reside currently in Florence, Kentucky. We've been here for going on 3.5 years. I actually moved to this area and reside here now because of a promotion that I got working for my current employer, which is Regal Beloit Corporation. Prior to that, I had been a Wisconsin native, born and raised in Madison, Wisconsin. My wife Sarah is from Racine, Wisconsin. Prior to our move to Florence, we had lived in Mount Pleasant, which is a suburb of Racine. I have hold my bachelor's of business administration degree from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I have a bunch of other certifications and certificates that I've obtained as part of my professional career. As far as hobbies, I enjoy exercising, spending time with my family. We love to walk, watch movies. As far as reading, I also enjoy picking up a good book when I find the time. And I also enjoy taking adventure trips with my family. So as part of our spring break, we actually got away and took a trip to Belize. So that was very fun and a great experience. I highly recommend it for those who haven't visited that country. As far as my professional career, I've been in professional sales. I would say for the past going on 17 years, both in the facets of either being an account manager to a sales manager. So my current role is I'm a national account sales manager. And prior to this role, I had the pleasure of being a training director for my company, and that's a facet of HR. I was very happy to be in charge of the onboarding and sales training and overall development of our new sellers. So that was a pretty cool experience that I enjoyed. My key areas of responsibility now for my current position with Regal is I manage our second largest distributor called AIT, and it's roughly a $60 million customer for us. I'm really excited to take this class, from a standpoint of learning more about HR strategy. I think Dr. Grimes had made the comment about learning how, the function is developed way beyond just being paper pushers. How this really ties into the overall strategy of the organization and their overall growth and the enhanced development of the personnel, of course, as well. I like the collaboration and the group work. I'm excited about that, to be a member of Team 3. Looking forward to meeting all those other people in Team 3 for our first meeting this week. So that's a little about me. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and looking forward to meeting you all soon. Thanks.